Good morning, everyone. We have clear skies out there this morning. We're going to enjoy plenty of sunshine today through Wednesday. Also going to see a warming trend as we go into the next several days. That warm up will eventually come with a chance of some rain and some thunderstorms here as we go into especially Friday and Saturday. And then much colder temperatures will return as we go into the weekend as that storm system moves out of here. So here's that 7-day forecast. We're going to look forward to plenty of sunshine today and tomorrow. Temperatures should get close to 50 this afternoon. We'll spend most of the day in the 40s, but then tomorrow we should be well into the 50s. A chance for a few showers Thursday, but Thursday will still be a lot of dry weather. But as we go into Friday, that's the day when we see much better chances for rain, a few thunderstorms, and then Friday night and Saturday, that front will start to come through. Breezy conditions, showers and thunderstorms. The rain should start to clear out of here Saturday afternoon, but once that rain gets out of here, these temperatures are going to really take a dip here. From near 60 Friday and into Saturday, the temperatures by Sunday morning in the upper 20s, and there will even be the chance possibly seeing a couple flurries to start our day on Sunday, but the good news is Sunday will be mostly dry. So here's a look at how that system evolves. We have that front, that's basically a front just kind of stalling out over the area here from Thursday night through Saturday, and that's going to keep those rain chances alive and well here for the end part of this week. The highest rain chance out of this whole time frame will come Friday night and into the first part of the day Saturday. And then as the system pulls out, the colder air returns, and then we see sunshine as we go into next week. We start next week cold, but just wait. Middle of next week should look a lot better as we should start to work in another nice warming trend. That's all I have for your update today. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the sunshine. Grab the sunglasses. Have a good day.